Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Welcome and/or welcome back to our channel. What I've got for you today are our January kit reveals. So let me first say Happy New Year. Hope the past year was a good one for you and hope the new year is even better. And so like I said, I'm here with our January kit reveals. And if you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a cards, tags, and more kit, and a mixed media kit. You can subscribe to 1 kit, all 3 kits, or a combination of kits. Just visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com. I'll leave a link down below and you can head over and check to see what kits are available this month. But the best thing to do is subscribe so you'll never miss out on a kit. And speaking of subscribing, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the little button down below and set your notifications to all. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a video. We do tutorials with the kit. We also do private tutorials for our subscribers that no one else gets to see. If you don't have that kit, you don't get to see that video. So with all that being said, let's pop on over to the kits and see what we got. Okay, here's our January kit. This is our scrapbook kit. And we're going to start off with the chipboard, because also we cut our own chipboard in-house. So we do laser cut chipboard and engraving. So make sure you check that out as well too. And our scrapbook kit, it retails for $52. That does include your shipping. For my international people, just shoot us an email and we can give you a quote on what shipping would be. So first up, we've got some new pieces. These are new to the website, and they will be linked down below if you want to purchase these. So these are going to be in the kit. We've also got a set of butterflies that are going to be in the kit. And then we've got some fun postage stamps that are going to be in the kit. Next up, we've got this cute little stamp. How cute would that be for some background? You're also going to get this pack of Prima flowers. And then you're going to get some journal bits. There are 62 pieces in here. And then you're going to get some ephemera. There's 28 pieces in here. But let's get down to the papers and see what they are this month. Our manufacturer for this month, if you haven't figured out, is Simple Stories. And that's who our scrapbook paper is. And this is their new line called Simple Vintage Junk Drawer. So you're going to get this whole pack of paper. There's 12 sheets in here. Plus there's some ephemera in here as well. So let's take a look at the paper first. So pretty. It's kind of vintagey and a little grungy as well too. So super, super pretty. And it's both masculine and feminine. Butterflies are so fun. And look at all these that you can cut out as well. Some pretty more flowers. I've got all kinds of ideas running through my head. Now I just need the time to create the ideas. Just like everybody else out there, time seems to get away from you and you can't do all the things that you want to do, no matter how hard you try. But I'm going to get my crafting in this year. It's my form of self-care. Look at these beautiful tags. Aren't they wonderful? And they're double-sided too, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you've got some ephemera sheets or journaling elements that you can cut up. And they're double-sided as well. But these are, how fun would these be to top a card or to make a tag? And then you've got the 3x4 elements. These are great for card toppers as well too. Do the back side of that. And then these are some more 4x6 elements. Again, great for cards, great for tags. And then you get a sheet of ephemera stickers. And these are all fun to use. And if you don't like to use them as stickers, you know the secret is put a little baby powder on the back of them or a little cornstarch or whatever, and it'll take the stickiness out of them, and then you can just use them again as more ephemera elements without them being sticky on the back. So this has been the scrapbook kit. Like I said, it retails for $52, and you can find it on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. Head on over and check everything out. Check out the new chipboard, check out the kits, and we should also have some other new items there that we'll tell you about later. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is our cards, tags, and more kit. This is our small project kit. If you're that person that likes to craft and you're short on time, or you just like small projects, then this is the kit for you. This kit retails for $42. And again, check out the website to see what's available. But each month we can have a little fun with this. We get stuff for cards, we get stuff for tags, mini albums, junk journals, you name it. That's what this kit's all about. So let's get into what's in this kit. First off, you're going to have some mini tags. So we've got some mini tags there, and they're two different sizes. You've got some smaller ones and then some that are just a little bit bigger. Then you're going to have these like mini flags or mini banners. And you're going to have some bamboo leaves, green ink. And this is a dye ink. So, and get this little pack of cute little flowers. You're gonna have another little pack of some more flat flowers, and we chose flat flowers for a reason, and you'll see why in a minute. You're also going to get some jewels in green and some more blingy jewels in purple. Now, as far as the kit, we're going to start off with, first you're going to get 8x8, and I can't remember how many sheets this is. This is also by Studio Light. So let's go through the papers first. And these are single-sided papers. That one's upside down. But I think it's really cute, and it kind of ties into our scrapbook kit with the junk drawer theme. I've got all these upside down. And I think it's 12 or 18 sheets of paper. It's also pretty, and I love the purple colors. And then I like the fact that you just get some solid color sheets, and these are matching sheets to the papers. You know, all the colors in the papers. So these are all your papers that you're going to get. And then you're also going to get another set, and these are cutouts. Everything is all cut out and perforated for you. You just have to punch them out, and you will be building your own junk journal. So you've got all your pockets, and this is double-sided, so you can use either side. So you'll have all your little pockets. These are all your little sheets here, and we will have a video on putting this together. Another sheet here. These are all so pretty. And that's why we've got kind of like flat embellishments, because you don't want your junk journal too thick. And then you just got some extra sheets of paper here too, so you can cut these out and use these on your cover. And again, more embellishments. And you've got some, these say happy birthday. These also say happy birthday and enjoy your day. You've got some fun, create memories. And these are a little smaller. You have to cut these out. And then you've got some more die cut tags. And you've got another sheet of sentiments. And lastly, what you're going to have in here is a template to create your own cover. So let's open this up, and this can be used over and over and over again. And so you've got your template here to create your own journal covers and to create pockets with them if you want. And then this is just going to be used to create the flap to seal your cover. And like I said, there will be a video using this kit, so I will show you how to use everything. How to use your template, how to punch all these things out and put your junk journal together and just create a fun little mini project. And this is our cards, tags, and more kit. It can be found on our website, www.tradejoliekits.com. And again, this kit retails for $42. Then make sure you head over and check it out. You do not want to miss out on a thing. And the video for this kit will be a private video. So that's only going to be available to those that either subscribe to this kit or buy it in the store. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Okay, so our mixed media kit. It is a standalone kit that helps you try different mediums or help you build up your stash of mediums without giving you too much, so you don't have a lot of waste, because we try and put smaller products in there. And this kit retails for $47. This month we've got some fun stuff to create some fun backgrounds. We have got the Crafters Workshop Stencil Butters, and if you've never worked with these, they are so fun to use. You're going to get 6 different colors, so we're going to start off with Hydrangea, and then Dune. We've got Orchid, Rose, Fern, and this is Seashell, and it's a shimmery one. And if you haven't noticed, these colors in here also complement our scrapbook kit and our cards, tags, and more kit. You're also going to get this 8x8 canvas, so you can create fun backgrounds with these. And then you're going to get a pack of 3 wooden frames so you can create a project. And that's the thing about our mixed media kit. We also include a fun little project to get you started. So it is a standalone kit. You can get this on its own, or like I said, you can subscribe to any combination of the kits. And you can find them again on our website at www.tradejoliekits.com. And again, this kit retails for $47. And before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn your notifications to all, and you like and comment on this video so you'll keep seeing our videos. But this has been Kim for Trade Jolie Kit Club. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.